Today, I want to take you around one of my favorite neighborhoods in Tokyo and show you what life here could look like. Let's get started. Nakameguro in Meguro-ku is one of Tokyo's most popular neighborhoods, and it's easy to see why. We have set up 3 viewings from budget-friendly to high-end to really get a feel for the area. But first, why would you want to live here? The first reason, location. You are just a short walk from trendy spots like Daikanyama and Ebisu. You get that same stylish atmosphere, but with a more relaxed and residential feel. Plus, the Toyoko line puts Shibuya Station just 2 stops away and Yokohama 5 stops away on the express train. The second reason is the Meguro River. Now, believe it or not, back in the 1980s, this river was one of the worst parts of the area. It was heavily polluted and honestly not so nice. So the city stepped in, cleaned it up, and planted more than 800 cherry blossom trees along the river. Now it's home to one of Tokyo's most famous Hanami walks. Yes, it can get crowded during cherry blossom season, but the transformation completely changed the area. Businesses moved in, and Nakameguro is now filled with unique shops, restaurants, and cafes that make the neighborhood such a lively and welcoming place. The community here assures there's enough to do year-round, making it an ideal place for both young professionals and families prioritizing comfort and convenience. Here is a simple one-room unit. There is enough space for a bed, a small sitting area, and not really much else. But it is perfect if you would rather spend your money outside of your home. Like many other budget apartments, this one has a unibath, toilet, sink, and shower all in one small room. Some people don't mind, some people do, but it's very common in a small unit in Japan. All this in Nakameguro costs around 67,000 yen, and it's only about 20 minutes from Ebisu on foot. For this area, it's a really good deal. Let's see what we can get with a mid to high-end budget. Next, we step into a newly renovated 1 LDK with about 60 square meters of space. The rent is 240,000 yen a month, including fees. You get a large living area with a kitchen island. It's great for hosting or just kicking back. This bedroom fits a queen-size bed easily, so no more tiny futon. And this wet area is one of the most unique features of this apartment. The bathroom is modern, with a separate shower and tub, and even a built-in dryer so you don't have to hang clothes outside. You probably saw this when we came in, but I've never seen a sink at the entrance of a unit. It's a first-floor unit, but it's a quiet and private neighborhood, so safety is definitely not a problem. On top of all of this, you also get your own private garden. What if you have a family or just a little bit more money? Finally, here's a VLDK for 500,000 yen a month. You walk into this big living and dining area, and you immediately see these sliding doors that can open to the first bedroom. The design is clean and minimal, with high-end touches like a wide kitchen island, real tile floors, and quality finishes. At about 67 square meters, it's not massive, but the lights, layout, and finishes make it feel special. And because most buildings are small in Nakameguro, you always get enough natural sunlight. Whether you are a creative, a cafe lover, or a family looking for a quiet area with quick access to central Tokyo, Nakameguro could be the perfect fit. So whether you are on a budget, looking for something modern, or ready to splurge, there are great options here. And remember, a big part of what you are paying for is the location. Since in a city as big as Tokyo, there's always a fight for convenience. If you are interested in the properties we saw today or other homes in this area, send us a message. We would love to help. And if you made it this far in this video, thank you so much. A like and a subscribe can really help us bring you more contents like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.